Haier is a global leader in the home appliance industry with its awareness of and focus on innovation and increasing efficiency. Haier's 560 series laundry is the latest successful example of naturalistic R&D. The unique fin-shaped house setter performs in three modes: washing mode, enhancing mode, and balancing mode. You're in full control of the 3.6 cubic foot super capacity. In addition to the three wash modes, the cascading spray system works to achieve the best wash with a wide-ranging spray that thoroughly wets the wash load to remove dirt and let the ring system clean, give you fresh clothes that stay looking new longer. This washer features smart load sensing technology, automatic water level, and automatic cycle time selection. Operation is easy, fast, and convenient. The washer is equipped with a variety of cycle options, including Eco Wash, Soak, Bulky, Delicate, Quick, and others. The LED display lets you easily keep track of cycle selections and progress. The dryer automatically senses humidity to determine the appropriate drying time for the best results every time, which saves energy and avoids overdrying. Intelligent Haier laundry, powerful, elegant, efficient. Haier, smarter life, better planet.